In order to be successful in a child custody proceeding, you have to evaluate your unique situation. You have to focus on the best interest of the child as that is set forth in Colorado Revised Statutes 1410-124. There are a number of factors that are set forth in that statute that the court must consider in making any orders regarding what we call parental responsibilities and decision making. One tool that parties can utilize in order to get a good outcome in a child custody proceeding or child trial, basically, is focusing on an expert witness. There are two types of expert witnesses that can be utilized in order to assist the parties and the court in arriving at what is in the best interest of the children. The child and family investigator is an expert who is usually either an attorney or someone with a social work or psychology background. A child and family investigator charges a statutory fee of $2,750. That fee is capped by statute. Oftentimes, depending on the case, they can exceed that amount with the agreement of the parties. The purpose of a child and family investigator is to write a report for the court that makes recommendations regarding the best interest of the children. They go through the statutory factors found in 1410-124, and those factors would include the history of each party's relationship with the children, each party's mental and physical health, the community, other unique aspects regarding the child, even the child's wishes if the child is sufficiently mature enough to express an opinion. The other type of expert that is utilized in a child custody case is a parental responsibilities evaluation. A parental responsibilities evaluator is typically a psychiatrist. They have a PhD. They are qualified in a mental health background, and they do a much more in-depth evaluation of the situation. As a result, the cost of a parental responsibilities evaluation can be quite high. It can be exceeding $10,000. A parental responsibilities evaluation typically includes psychological testing of the parties, drug and alcohol testing and evaluation if that's an issue, very in-depth interviews of the parties, observation of interactions between the parties and the children. The child and family investigator or the parental responsibilities evaluator will do interviews with collateral contacts. Of course, in the latter case, the interviews are a lot more detailed. And so one of the keys in prevailing in a child custody battle is to think about your expert witness, whether you need an expert witness, and to select the best possible person for your unique situation. Here at Lewis and Matthews, we have a lot of experience with child and family investigators, with the individuals who perform that function, and also with the individuals who are parental responsibilities evaluators. So we can help guide you into selecting the best person for your individual case. In addition, we can provide you with practical information regarding how you should handle the parenting time situation, how you should handle parenting time exchanges, how you should communicate with the other party, whether you should be gathering information from Facebook or other social media sources regarding the situation. It amazes me what people will post on Facebook and other social media outlets, and that information can be utilized in a child custody case. Another thing is to come up with a parenting plan that makes sense for your unique situation. In other words, if you are living quite a distance from the child's school, is it really practical for you to propose that you do drop the child off at school in the morning, which would require you to navigate Denver rush hour traffic, that type of thing. So we try to guide you in terms of coming up with a realistic and practical parenting plan, and that's going to be more appealing to the court.